So, do you think there's collusion between these two companies? You have the Congress pen and the Ambassador pen. Similarity in clip style, similarity in filling style, plastics are similar. The red one is slightly fatter than the gray one. This just swims, whereas this will not even go on. But I have a feeling that they shared some DNA, if nothing else. I don't know which came first. I don't really care. But I have fitted both of these with Frankenpen nibs, nibs that came from Victorian era dip pen nibs. This is a Fairchild, and the red one has another company from Chicago. And you can see there's a difference in color. It's not, it's one slightly yellower than the other. Not just because of the fact that this has red ink on it. They're both gold, I'm pretty sure. I have filled the red one with red ink and the black one with black ink. What a thought, what an idea. And I thought I would just doodle with it. I don't know what I'm going to make. They're both relatively similar. I suppose I could make another Audubon roadkill bird. I guess I will, since you made me think of it. So here's the bird. The bird is in black, and the guts will all be in red. And I don't really, again, I don't care what I'm drawing. The subject of the drawing isn't important to me at the moment. I'm just playing with the pen. I'm enjoying the marks that the pen makes, the difference that you'll see between the two of them. There's a beak, there's an eyeball, there's the nostril, and here's some feathers. Don't worry, the red pen will be used soon. We'll have lots of guts, tail feathers. Uh-oh, my cat is coming up here. I can sense he's coming here. He's going to sit right on top of this. He knocked over a bottle of ink yesterday, and luckily the bottle of ink was almost empty. So it did tip over, but it wasn't full enough, and my table was tilted enough that the ink did not spill out, because had it spilled out, the cat would have been, his back would have been covered in ink. And I'm sure that if someone talked to the ASPCA, they would take my little kitty away from me for endangerment of pussydom. And my hands, I spilled some water here earlier, which of course I just left sit. I thought it would evaporate faster than I would actually clean it up. And it did not. I did not clean it up, and it has not evaporated. Why does that not surprise you? Okay, that's enough of the bird. Now let's talk about the blood. This is supposed to be... Oh, how did that happen? Big drop of blood. I don't know if you can see the difference here. That should not have poured out, but it did. The red pen with the red blood is a slightly more flexible nib, and I'm able to come up with a thicker line. Here's the expectorate that came out of the mouth of the poor bird as it was run over by the taxi cab. It was just pecking away. It's a pigeon, I guess. A filthy Boyd. A filthy stinking Boyd. And it was just eating its, whatever pigeons eat, breadcrumbs. And here comes this big old cab. Oh, let's make it an Uber. It's a big Uber. Uber driver came by and specifically drove to aim at the pigeon. And he flattened it, as you can see. Bad Uber driver. But some people don't like pigeons, even if they like birds. They hate pigeons. It's like, I don't quite understand that. If you like birds, aren't you obligated to like all of them, or can you be selective in your love of a certain kind of bird? I guess you don't have to love them, but to hate them is, I guess I love pens. I hate ballpoints. Okay, never mind. Never strike that from the record. And I just went on and on and on about. Oh, I have to draw the guts, the entrails. These are stately plump buck mulligan. No, that's not it. Leopold Bloom ate with relish the inner organs of beast and fowls. Is that how it goes? Leopold Bloom ate with relish the inner organs of beasts and fowls. So these are the inner organs. I'm not drawing the relish, though he didn't mean the word relish as a condiment. He meant with gusto. He ate with gusto and whatever relish means. Great love of. Stately plump buck mulligan, on the other hand, is the other sentence that I know from, what is that, Ulysses? Well, this is turning into a nightmare. This is John J. Audubon and Francis Bacon in one picture. This is red ink out of this bottle that is almost orange ink, but it's mixing with whatever black ink I had in this pen before. So we're getting this sort of dried blood magenta sort of shape. Let's do some more black, more feathers. No. Eyeball, beak, already done that. You can't tell if this is a bird anymore, can you? Maybe the little claws. Well, the feathers, I guess. You can see the feathers. There's a tradition in calligraphic circles to draw these calligraphic birds, and I admire the people that know how to do them well. And rather than trying to learn how to do it correctly, I just draw this, the ones that were run over by the Uber driver, or sometimes a semi-truck if I really want to show the blood and guts. Oh, come on, Pierre. You know, if I could learn to just clear my desk, I wouldn't be bumping into things. Do you think that that's possible? Could I just learn to do that? Do you think? Do you think I could learn to do that? Why does my desk have to have as much shit on it as it has on it? Here we go. The eyeball, the beak, the guts, the claws, and lots of blood. Still wet. Sorry that that drop happened, but it happened.